Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Well, today I have, yet another Dollarama haul that I wanted to share with you. As I mentioned before, I've been in quite a few times in the last couple of weeks, and again, as I mentioned before, they have really stepped up their game. They have such great things. Unfortunately, yes, we all know it's not $1. No, it's not even $2. It's all the way up to $4. But most of their stuff are really, really good. You just have to look around, and a lot of their stuff are brand name stuff. So I have, again, yet another haul. And if you want to see what I purchased this time around, please keep on watching. So I am super excited to share with you what I got. So again, in no particular order, I'm just pulling right out of the bag. First thing I purchased was this DCWV, I guess that's what they're called. It is a DIY project stack stencils. It includes 2 reusable stencil sheets, 22 printed cardstock, and 8 craft sheets. And it also includes paper stencils and ideas to craft with stencils. So again, I'm really into crafting these days, so I thought I would pick this up. So some beautiful paper, but I'm loving the stencils over here. So anyways, got that. Also picked up this Valentine's activity to decorate your door, except it's a game. So you can see here it comes with different hearts where you can write messages. And you can see here on the tree, be true, only you, Fiona, Stephen. You can see they just give you examples here. So it's a Valentine activity. So it includes 1 activity sheet and 30 heart-shaped cutouts. And I thought that was really cute. Loving that little owl. How cute is he? Loving the eyelashes. So this was $3. And I thought that was cute. Couldn't pass that up. Also got this, which I fell in love with, which I'm going to personalize it. It's this little envelope, and you can see here it has the scalloped edges, has the 2 hearts in the middle, and look at the back. How cute is that? And it opens up, you can see here, and it's a little pocket. And I thought this would be super cute to personalize this and give it to Isabella so she can maybe keep all her Valentines that she gets at school. And super cute. And this was only $1.25. So I thought that was a great deal. And it's super cute. And they had other colors. They had this one here, which is like the fuchsia pink. They had red and they had white. And it's like made out of felt. So cute. And I didn't think that was a bad price at all. Next, I picked up this Silicone mini spatula. How cute is that? And it's by the Wilton brand. So again, a nice name brand. And I love the way it has the hearts with the arrows. So cute. And I actually needed a smaller. I had the larger spatulas, but a smaller one I need just to scrape the bowls. And this one was, there's no price, but I'm thinking it was $1.25. Could be wrong, but I'm thinking that's what it was. And I thought that was so cute. Also picked up this sign to keep in my coffee area. So it says 25 cents, fresh brewed coffee served here, have a cup. And I like the way it looks like it's an antique finish, distressed on the sides, the top and the bottom. And it has that like minty green background. I thought that was really cute just to display in that area. And the back is just like that. And this one was $2, but I thought it was so cute. I just picked up this little tape measuring set. So it's 2 pieces. And this one was $1.25 just to keep in my craft area. Again, to keep in my craft area, by the Studio brand, I picked up this stainless steel ruler for $1.50. They also had a 3-pack of the plastic rulers, which were the same price, $1.50, so you're getting 3. But I wanted a stainless steel, so it'd be more durable, and it has the cork background. And yeah, just again, to keep in my craft area. Picked up these wooden dowels. This was $1.25, and there are 100 pieces in there, and they're multicolored. Again, for crafting. Picked up a roll of ribbon. There's 15 feet. This was $1.25, and this is just a gray, and this is just a replacement that I needed for another ribbon that I had to throw away. But yeah, gray, pretty, simple. So that was $1.25. Picked up just a small package of 18 glue sticks, also for $1.25. Picked up some rolls of adhesive film. So I picked up a metallic silver. This one was $3. So I picked up the silver. Also picked up the metallic gold. Now, I've never used these before, so if you have, let me know how good or not so good they are. Also picked up this metallic, but it's glitter silver. As you can see, nice sparkle. And again, the gold, but this time a glitter gold. So got those. Now these are the non-crafting items. I picked up a package of my go-to AIM Mint Floss Picks. There are 75 pieces for $2. Picked up just a couple of packages to keep in my purse. This is by the Tech brand. There's 10 in a pack. And these were 25 cents each, so 4 for $1. Also, if you watched my last haul, I picked up some vitamins, the one-a-day vitamins. They had the Flintstone vitamins with extra vitamin C by the Bayer brand. So there's 60 in a package. And again, this was $4. You cannot buy these for $4 at Walmart. And the expiry date on these, I'm not sure if you can see that there, it's September 2018. So picked up these. Also picked up 3 packages of the chicken stock cubes. These run out at my Dollarama, so I stocked up and picked up 3. I do use these a lot, and there's 12 cubes per package, and each package is $1.25. I also picked up one of these men's Crewneck T-Shirts in the extra large. This is the black. Haven't tried these before. This is for a DIY, so we'll see how the material is. I don't imagine it's the best material. This was $3, but we're certainly gonna give this a try. And last but not least, I picked up 2 of these Luminarc glasses. These were $1.50, and they are nice size glasses. And these will also be for a DIY. So a lot of DIYs. So as I mentioned, I picked up 2. So this concludes the Dollarama haul. This time, as I mentioned, we'll have quite a few because they're coming out with such great items, and I can't go in just for one thing. If you're like me, give me a thumbs up. Let me know. And let me know if you do Dollarama hauls, because I'd love to watch it. I love Dollarama hauls. Dollarama, Dollar Tree, Dollar Store hauls. Love, love, love them. Anyways, like always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everyone's support. And I will talk to you on my next video. Bye, everyone.